Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 16th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of Rexford Industrial, a leading real estate investment trust focused on industrial properties in Southern California. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Rexford Industrial has been a key player in the industrial real estate sector, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Rexford Industrial reported a net income of $68.3 million, or 30 cents per diluted share, for the first quarter of 2025. John, how does this compare to their performance last year?
Rexford Industrial has shown a solid improvement compared to the previous year, where they reported a net income of $58.6 million, or 2.7 per diluted share. This growth is reflected in their core funds from operations, Core FFO, which increased by 14.1% to $141 million, with a Core FFO per share of 62 cents, up from 58 last year.
That's impressive growth. What factors contributed to this increase?
The increase in Core FFO is primarily driven by higher rental income and effective cost management. The company's strategic focus on high-demand, low-supply markets in Southern California has allowed them to capitalize on favorable leasing conditions.
Leasing and occupancy insights. Rexford Industrial executed 2.4 million rentable square feet of new and renewal leases in Q1 2025. How did this impact their rental rates and occupancy?
The company achieved a significant increase in comparable rental rates, with a 23.8% rise on a net effective basis. This is a testament to their strong market positioning and ability to negotiate favorable lease terms. Additionally, their average same-property portfolio occupancy remained robust at 95.9%.
What does this tell us about their operational strategy?
Rexford's strategy of focusing on infill locations in Southern California, where demand outpaces supply, is clearly paying off. Their ability to maintain high occupancy levels while increasing rental rates indicates strong tenant demand and effective asset management.
Transaction and balance sheet activity. Rexford Industrial has been active in property transactions, selling 2 properties for a total of $103.4 million. How does this fit into their overall strategy?
The sales generated an impressive unlevered internal rate of return, IRR, of 11.9%, which highlights their ability to create value through strategic dispositions. These transactions are part of their ongoing efforts to optimize their portfolio and recycle capital into higher-yielding opportunities.
And how is their balance sheet positioned?
Rexford maintains a strong balance sheet with a net debt-to-enterprise value ratio of 22.8% and a net debt-to-adjusted EBITDA of 3.9x. This low leverage provides them with financial flexibility to pursue growth opportunities and navigate economic uncertainties.
Guidance and future outlook. Looking ahead, Rexford Industrial has updated its guidance for 2025. What are the key points investors should note?
The company has set a net income guidance range of $121 to $125 per diluted share and maintained its core FFO guidance at $237 to $241 per share. They also project same-property NOI growth between 0.75% and 1.25%, reflecting their confidence in sustaining operational performance despite macroeconomic challenges.
What are the potential risks and opportunities in their outlook?
While interest rates and economic conditions pose risks, Rexford's strategic focus on high-demand markets and their strong balance sheet position them well to capitalize on growth opportunities. Their ability to execute on their value-add strategy will be crucial in driving long-term shareholder value.
Key takeaways. In summary, Rexford Industrial has delivered a strong first quarter performance with significant growth in net income and core FFO. Their strategic focus on high demand markets and disciplined execution continue to drive value. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Rexford Industrial's robust financial performance and strategic positioning make them an attractive investment in the industrial real estate sector. Their ability to maintain high occupancy and increase rental rates, coupled with a strong balance sheet, positions them well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Rexford Industrial's performance in the comments below.